Hello everyone, this is Harsh, the tech guy, and this video is related to some fun tricks with the Google search. And I'm going to tell you about Google Easter eggs and fun tricks. So, do you know about this? And I'm going to tell you the Easter egg, a surprise with each search, and fun tricks for use with the Google. So, the developers of the Google have created these Easter eggs for fun tricks. And today in this video I am going to show you the more than top 10 fun tricks and Easter eggs that you can do right now using Google search. So you will enjoy very much in this video. So let's get started. Now you have to open your browser, and I will recommend to open the Google Chrome because some of the tricks will not perform in any other browser. So open your Google Chrome browser, and the first fun tricks and the which is the main villain of the adventure, you can see Thanos snap, and this is infinity goblet. And if you will search Thanos snap, then this infinity goblet will appear, and now you have to click on this. So I'm clicking, and you can see this goblet is snapping its finger, and now everything starts going invisible. You can see my all the web search is starting invisible. How much fun tricks is this, and wonderful, and everything here is start invisible. And now if you want to restore your all the results, then click on this goblet again, and it will restore your all the results. You can see we have received all the results that were invisible. So this is the first trick. Now the another trick I am going to show you, and the name is Zerg Rush. So type on this and click on the Zerg Rush, and this will attack the search results, and you can see this is starting attacking our search results. You can see these doodles are attacking the results which are showing. If you want to defeat your search results, then simply click on this, and you can see I have given some force on these doodles, but I can't preserve my results. You can see all the results are vanished, and how much it is wonderful trick. So this is the Zerg Rush. Now the another trick I am going to show you, and the name is do a barrel roll. And yes, you can see it will perform a 360 rotation, and you can see if you search this, yes, and you see my page is rotating 360 degree. And how much funny is this? So right now go and start using these fun tricks. Now the next I am going to show you, the next trick is Askew. Yes, you can see this will create our page down into the right side. You can see my page is down in the right side. How this is fun. So this is the Askew. Now remaining fun tricks I will go quickly each of them by showing you. So the another trick I am going to show you is the flip a coin. if you type here flip a coin, you can see we have got this coin and you can flip it, and this is the flip a coin. And there is also another trick, that is spinner, and I'm going to show you. This is the spinner. Okay, and the another trick now I am going to show you. The name is Webdriver Torso. Okay, Webdriver Torso, and you can see this will change the Google logo, and you see the Google logo is looking some different animation colors and this. And the now next Easter egg I am going to show you, the Google logo history. Now here you can see it will simply tell the details of the Google logo and when it is developed. You can see this is the September 2013 Google logo, and this is the May, this is the 1999, and you can see all the logo were developed by Google in the all the years. So this is very useful, and you can know these things. So these are the some basic tricks. Now the last 3 Google Easter egg I am going to show you, and this is very much crazy, and you will very much enjoy this trick now. So I am going to show you. The name is Google Space. So all the Easter eggs and links are given in the description, so go ahead and type in your browser. So let's see this, what is, and you can see this is the Google gravity. Everything starts falling down, there is no any gravity here. How much this is funny. I can't do this up. So this is the Google gravity. Now I am going to show you the another wonderful tricks, that is Google Space. So type this link on your browser and you will be in the Google Space. You can see this is the Google Space where you can perform everything, and everything is floating here, you can see. Yes, and the another trick I am going to show you, and the name is Google Sphere. So and you can see this is the Google Sphere. How much it is unbelievable things. It is moving like the spherical, and this is the Google Sphere. And the last trick I am going to show you, and this is also very much amazing, and the name is Epic Google. And you can see this Epic Google, it starts zooming, and you can see. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. If this video is useful and knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated to the latest fun tips and tricks like this. And I will see you in the next video.